Garam Masala. Apparently, there was a lot of garma garmi between co-stars Akshay Kumar and John Abraham, and the two were not seeing eye to eye each other. However, soon they reunited, became friends and also starred together in movies like Rohit Dhawan's directorial debut Desi Boys and Sajid Khan's blockbuster film Houseful 2. Now, seems like something is not going smooth between their relationships, at least from the professional point of view. After replacing Akshay Kumar in Annie's Bazmi's Welcome Back, actor John Abraham has again replaced the former one in two other of his star movies. Filmmaker Feroz Nadelwala has just handed a wedding gift to John by roping him as one of the leads in the third installment of Hera Fairy and also in the second installment of Awara Pagal Deewana. Well, can we again expect some garma garmi between the enemies turned friends? This is Nishi Patani for Movies Adda.